Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm sure when you look at any crypto exchange or a crypto list anywhere on the internet, for a moment you will stop and ask yourself, which coin should I invest or should I pick that will make me the next crypto millionaire? So many people are looking for next Dogecoin or Ethereum or Bitcoin where they can get on board from the very start and ride the thing while becoming millionaires in the process. Well, guess what? You are not the only one confused. Look at our SEC. They are also confused about the cryptos of the world. They are also trying to figure out the best approach to handle the crypto domination, which will sure bring some major changes in the crypto world. Regardless of what road we take from here, one thing is for sure, that there are some real changes happening in the crypto world, and as we get more mature in this industry, we will see some major investment that will come in. So as investors, what should we do from here and how should we tread forward, making sure that we gain from this massive shift? Well, let me share how I have played crypto in the last 1 year and what crypto I plan on investing in the future. So I personally restarted with crypto, and yes, I'm not going to repeat my sad Bitcoin story again, as that makes me sad every time. So to keep things on a happy note, let's start from June 2020. So I bought one Bitcoin last year in June of 2020 and few Ethereums at the same time. So at that time, Bitcoin was trading at about $10,000 and Ethereum was at about $244. After the insane run of the stock market and the crypto world, one thing I kept consistent is that I kept buying little by little every month. 1 to 2% of my investment income I started to put towards these coins. Then I started to look at some more potential good coins which are solving the real world problem with smart contracts, tracking counterfeiting, etc., etc. So then I started to get involved with crypto and I started to buy few more coins like Cardano, VeChain, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc., etc. But still confused, as it seems like the whole world was singing the Bitcoin and the Dogecoin tune while some of us were scratching our heads trying to find the next Dogecoin. So in today's video, we'll talk about one coin that has a huge potential to 10x on the market cap and giving you a massive return. I personally invested in this and continue to buy the dips. So I do believe that we will see a huge crypto run in 2022. Given the inflation, high interest rate, I believe we are going to see a massive bull market for 2022 for cryptos. So let me share my screen, but before, please do me a favor and click the like button so we can reach out to more crypto lovers. So let's start with the coin that I feel has a huge potential, and that is Cardano. And I'm not going to bore you with some technical fluff which won't make any sense as you are not going to be mining ADA. So let me share the catalyst that we investors want to hear. Number one is Grayscale Investment recently added Cardano to its portfolio, which is a big deal because millions of dollars will come pumping into this crypto. Look, Cathie Wood alone holds about 1 million shares of Bitcoin Trust. So you can see the power of institution money coming into the crypto world. Number two is digital platform Nexo integrates Cardano. That means right here. And now why is this a big news? So the only reason is that they have over 2 million users right here. As you can see, Nexo has over 2 million users. That means Cardano will be exposed to over 2 million new users to get more traction. Now, I'm not saying that all 2 million are new to Cardano. Some of them already hold it. But I feel when a exchange like Nexo kind of introduce a new crypto, it opens that crypto to the whole world or a bigger audience. Number three is general investor. So we know what power we hold, and we recently saw with the GameStop saga. I actually still hold few AMCs. So ADA is also gaining the popularity and has now become one of the top holding crypto on eToro, which is huge and massive because of just the size of eToro. Now, these are of course some investor catalysts. There are some major internal catalysts happening in Cardano. As they near bringing the launch of smart contracts, they are actually testing it now. And as recent as July 27th, Charles Hoskinson, founder of Cardano, has announced that in years' time, they will have hundreds of assets running on Cardano along with thousands of dApps and tons of interesting projects, leading up to more adoption of Cardano. Some of them are even calling Cardano could be Ethereum killer. I don't believe this, but there are news articles that are out there. So given where what we know about Cardano, the investor catalyst, the internal catalyst, let's look at some of the price targets. So some analysts are predicting that Cardano can see a $10 price target. Well, we cannot just take that number and run with it. No, we are thinkers and investors, so we'll take that number and run our own math. So here it is. So the current supply of Cardano, as you can see, is about 32.1 billion ADA. Okay, now given the current price gives it a market cap of about $41.2 billion. So now if they say that ADA will be $10 by 2026, let's take a look at what type of market cap we are looking at. Okay, so now let's do a quick math. So right now we know that we have about 32.1 billion ADA in the circulation, and they're saying that it could be as much as $10. Okay, so that's almost 321 billion of market cap. Okay, that's what they're saying. That's almost 8 times right here, 8 times to the current market cap of about 41.2 billion. Okay, that's massive. Now we know that there could be a max of 45 billion ADA in circulation. Okay, that's the max limit of Cardano. So let's say that by that time there are 45 billion Cardano come into action instead of 32.1. That's going to give, and if you multiply that number by 10, that's going to give about $450 billion of, I would say, network or market cap for Cardano, over 10 times. So now let's examine this quickly and look at this, that if this is possible at all, or what we are talking about even makes sense. So for that, what I have done is I have actually went back to 2020 and I have taken the market cap of Cardano in December of 2020. So on your screen, I'm going to show you here now that as you can see in December of 2020, we have a market cap of Cardano up about 5.73. Now to keep math simple because it could have fluctuated, let's say that the market cap of Cardano was 5 billion at that time. So let's say that with the 5 billion market cap in December of 2020, now let's look at what the market cap is right now. So when I was recording this video, of course, crypto goes so much up and down, so we really can't tell what the exact market cap is. But right now it's saying that it's 44.14 billion. Again, to keep math simple, let's say that there's 4 billion or 40 billion market cap, sorry, not 4 billion. So 40 billion market cap. Now, if you look over here from 5 billion right here to 40 billion, now that's 8 times the market cap in just 6 months. Okay, that's massive move for a cryptocurrency, which is of course new, was not that popular up until last year, and now has gained some traction. So that's over 8 times market cap in 6 months. We just discussed how Cardano can 8x to about, if all the coins are in circulation, not 32.1, but even if 32.1 in circulation, we are talking about 321 billion market cap from 40 billion. You know, so that's still huge. But let's say if all coin is in circulation, then we are looking at about $450 billion market cap, which is massive. So now if we can see that Cardano can hit the 8 times the market cap in just 6 months, so in next 4 years, is it possible for Cardano to hit the 8 times market cap? In my opinion, it's a big possibility. Absolutely. Because again, the Cardano or this cryptocurrency is now getting into smart contracts. It's now actually solving the real world problem. If you go on Cardano's website, you can see that they are now being adopted with different industries. If you look at the news, they're starting the smart contract project in Africa. So they are now expanding and stretching and basically going places which Ethereum has already been doing for a long time. Cardano is just now getting started. So that makes me really, really bullish for this cryptocurrency, and that's why I feel that the growth or the type of growth that we will see in this cryptocurrency will be massive in the coming years. Now, on top of that, this is a green cryptocurrency. That means running Cardano or running the blockchain is not depending or not high on fossil fuels, which is another a big plus, as Elon Musk recently has proved it, because they're not accepting Bitcoin because it uses so much fossil fuel to mine Bitcoins. And I feel that Cardano is solving that problem in falling in that right category. So I feel in the next 4 to 5 years, Cardano can see a $8 to $10 price target. That's completely possible in my opinion. And that's why I am being so bullish. And if I show you my previous purchases, I actually went heavy on Cardano. So there are two cryptos that I'm buying on a regular monthly basis. That's Ethereum and Cardano. And I am always, if there is a huge dip, when it dipped to like 104, I actually miss that opportunity. But anytime if Cardano dips more in like say 10 to 15%, I try to buy a little bit more as much as I can. So after doing this research and also looking at what internal changes Cardano is going through with the smart contracts, dApps, and also gaining popularity, I would put this coin as top 2 highest conviction coin or cryptos for me to invest in personally. So I hope you got something out of this video. So please do leave a comment on what do you think ADA will be in 2025, and do click on the like button. Make sure this video go out to more ADA lovers. Thank you so much for joining. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.